Hey guys, what's going on? In today's video I'm going to show you something about Steam Family Sharing that you might not want to hear, and it's about the purchase button. So usually when you get to the purchase button, let me just open Steam, that usually just means that there's something wrong, right? So that the family sharing isn't going through. And even though, for example, if you go back into Steam settings, if you go to family and then if you have authorized library sharing and all that, and then you enable the accounts and other accounts, so essentially you're getting the games that are being shared. You still get when you go to the library and if, for example, go to, like, let's say this game is from the library of that guy, but it says purchase instead of install here. So realistically, what can you do? So the truth and the harsh reality is that you cannot do anything, because that only means one thing, and there is absolutely no other possibility, is that this game is not family shareable. So we have contacted the Steam devs about this, and they said that if you have purchase button right here, there is no other way other than that the game development studio that produced this game does not allow family shareable, which means that they want you to buy that extra copy of the game. And you could say this is arguably like a little bit more greedy and all, but it is what it is. At the end, they have to pay their bills as well. So I'll show you right now a website on which you can check if your game is family shareable or not. So I have this game that's called NBA 2K23. I already know this game is not family shareable, but as you can see, people here are voting on the games and whether the games are family shareable or not, and then there's already confirmations whether these games are shareable or not. So I'll go for Modern Warfare right now, and you have to look for the game, and I'll click on this game, and as you can see, the majority of people say that it is family shareable, and usually that is the case. So if you go to maybe another package, this one hasn't any data yet on it. This has any data on it yet, so it's maybe Euro Truck Simulator. Let me see. Yeah, also have to look for the type of the game is shareable. So as you can see, majority of the games are indeed shareable, but there are some games that are just simply not shareable, and that is why. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. By the way, the link for this is up here, so it's called steamfamilysharing.com. and you can check for the game that you want to see, whether the game is family shareable or not. Until then, I'll see you.